Hey, so today we're taking a look at PlayMix.ai. I'm Eddie Irvin. I'm a tech consultant. I've been in app planning for a long time, and we're going to review and just give some helpful feedback if that's helpful to you. So first of all, this is awesome. The fact that it's so simple, and I've already kind of signed in past the startup screen. But you make it so easy to just hop in, and then you also make it fantastically easy to just see what other people are doing, which really then gives like some amazing some amazing help there. I'm gonna hop in here and use it for the first time. So I'm gonna use a game. I'm gonna create a game here where pianos fall from a sky and I catch them in the basket. Let's see how that goes. Okay, so again, extremely simple UI. I love it how simple it is. You don't give me a lot to do, and that I'm sure makes it a lot easier for everybody to get some good use out of it. This is cool how it's showing me what the AI is actually doing. There's obviously a lot of prompting behind the scenes that's taking that core idea and then, breaking it down into component parts so that the whole system can be built. Um, it might be cool if you give me some kind of timer that where I can see how long it's going to take to kind of bake it, or if you give me something along. Oh wow, here we go. Okay, cool. So it works. I mean, that's really neat. And right away, the fact that I'm already thinking about make a change, that's really neat. Okay, make the bottom piece go faster to the side and not. I don't want it to be like regiment, like I want it to be like smooth and be smoother, moving from side to side. Also have faster and slower falling pianos. Cool. And that's nice how there's also game art on the side here. So if I click this, now I can actually create art from there. If I do create new art, oh, interesting. Okay, so it's taking me to kind of a component site, playmix.ai, instead of an art section instead of the main site. That's really kind of neat. All right, so let's see what it's doing. Oh, it's waiting. It's thinking right now. So I want to work on the piano. So I'm going to go here, describe the drawing. A full 3D grand piano is essentially what I'm looking for. Instead of just an emoji, I want the thing to be kind of rotated. There we go. That's fine. How do I bring it back in? I feel kind of lost now. I've made it, but now I don't know. I don't know how to now bring it back into the oh, I guess download image, and then I've got to actually bring it back. What would be nice is if I could just click a button and it would just have replaced the asset. That's what I thought it was going to do. Download image, and then now here. Oh no. Oh, it did come here. So that's interesting. So I would love it if it would just kind of bring me back, if it is like a little bit more seamless. Now, maybe you've done this on purpose because people need to make lots of different assets and you wanted them separate. But as far as a kind of a workflow, I like the idea of being able to just like make the graphic and then it's done. I mean, honestly, if I could have something where I click and then I just kind of describe it right here, and then then I kind of click it and say use this one instead, save or whatever. I don't even have to leave the site. That would be super cool. But in any case, still super neat. Let's see how fast I can actually add this art to the game. Really neat platform. I'm curious to try it on mobile too, if that works. Not to play the game on mobile, but actually if I can actually design a game on mobile. But again, it's so simple. It's interesting whenever you're building software, you want to add more features, you want to do this and do that, but the fact you kept it so simple makes it a lot easier to play with and really a lot more fun. And again, you're gonna get so many more people that can get something out of it because it's so much simpler. Now again, it's still doing that thing where it's doing like pieces at a time. Um, well, that didn't work. Let me refresh it. Game over immediately. Okay, so now I must have broken something. So this is interesting. So now when something's gone wrong, something is broken, it's not catching the pianos anymore. This is really interesting. I wonder if there would be well, I guess let's see how it works through this. But I wonder if there'd be a help button where it's like, listen, I'm stuck. I can't go any farther. Like, what happens if I can't get through this? And then I'm just, is there a way for me to get any more help? Is that even a part of the way that you guys are doing business or not? Um, I think that would be, yeah, like right now. So like right now I'm stuck. I can't go any farther. I don't know why it's not catching them. And I also don't know why it didn't listen to me before. Although I can work with the prompt, and that's not really a huge issue there. I can work with the prompt more. But now when I'm stuck, is it just up to me and I've got to figure it out, or can I ask for some help? Maybe if you connect this with Reddit or connect it with another community, that you'd be able to kind of like quickly just say like I need help, and then that would kind of throw it into kind of like create a post that just says like, hey, I need help, here's where I'm stuck, and then maybe other people from the community can help. And so that way it wouldn't be more of a burden on you, but instead it would be allowing everybody who's a part of the community to be able to help each other. And again, maybe you can leverage Reddit for that, I'm not sure. But super cool product. Thank you for sharing, and I hope this was helpful.